Ngiyantshela ke manje inkinga enibhekene nayo eyokuthi kufuneka iANC yehle amandla noma ibulala. Uma ubulala isilwane esinamandla esinezihlungu wenze njalo njengenyoka nje. Awuyishaya emsileni. Shaya ekhaya. Lokho kabakwenza manje. Ngoba uma uyishaya emsileni maye babo umdalo omusha. Ilokho nje kwenziwa. Ilo mdlalo nje owenziwa. Kufanele siwazi ke thina ngoba kufanele sivikele. Some chamber from outside of this country also demanding that the president must go. Some chamber, I just forgotten from which country, but there was a chamber that said so. And some big business who said so. And I realized it's more the time I will never on my own resign. If I did so, I would be surrendering to the monopoly capital. Because I asked, what is it that I've done wrong? I've asked those who have talked to me, tell me, what is it that I've done wrong? And when I asked them, they ran out of the answers.
Can I ask that we should show discipline, the same level of discipline that Madiba exuded? When we applaud, let us applaud as someone has spoken. And behind me here, I know that behind me